Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to use Power Query to clean and organize your data before creating your reports. Let's get started. The Power Query is available in Power BI Desktop, but in this example, we'll demonstrate it using Power BI Service on a Mac. From the Power BI Service homepage, we'll select New Report. Next, we can see all the different ways to start building our report here. For this scenario, we'll select Excel. In the pop-up window, select Upload File, browse to your Excel file, select it, and then click Open. Once the file uploads, click on Next. Afterwards, select the data you want to import, then click Transform Data. In the Power Query, we can see that our table contains unnecessary rows. Let's easily remove the top two rows by clicking here and selecting Remove Top Rows. We'll input 2, select OK, and you can see the change right away. Now, we can see that our first row should be our column header. Let's select this icon to use first row as our header, and we can see the change in real time. On the right, our Power Query has a history of all changes that we make under Applied Steps. If you need to revert to an earlier step, simply click on it. If needed, we can rename the step ourselves. We'll right-click and select Rename. Then, we'll type a more specific name for our step. You can do this for any other step as well. Finally, we can delete steps we don't want by selecting the X button next to it. And that's it. The Power Query is a powerful tool that helps ensure your data is accurate, organized, and ready for analysis. Feel free to utilize all its features to create meaningful reports. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.